Welcome to episode 3 of Following the Way.
This is our first episode where we're just going to tell you about our most recent week rather than the last 26 years. Well, this week we actually have done some crazy things. We put some insulation in our van. We did some structural beaming, which is very new for us. We almost lost our MacBook. We had a few fights, but then we even got some windows in the van. So it's been a wild week.
Yeah, it started very optimistic. We were feeling really good after last week. And then we realised that we were being overly optimistic
And unrealistic.
that we didn't really feel adequate for this task of converting a van. And then we got some resolve and determination, and we decided we just had to do it and do our very best and accept the risks and the mistakes.
Yeah.
And so that brings us to now.
So let's dive straight into this episode. It's going to be a journey.
It's Monday, and you're about to watch Lydia and I make our most common mistake.
Welcome to our Monday, everybody.
Welcome.
It is 3 o'clock.
Yeah, big
And we only woke up like 4 hours ago.
Yeah.
We'd finished a big week and we're taking a day off. So tired.
All the symptoms were at play. We were shopping, getting takeaway, and getting inspired about hitting the road just before we planned for the week.
And in case you didn't realise, we are chronic optimists.
So, planning. We're planning today how we can get our floors, ceiling, and walls in.
Let me read out to you
So you're going to read something now. Listening?
our plan for this upcoming week. So this is our plan for this week. Call Aaron. Got quite a list of things to ask Aaron. We need to find out if we need new screws for the walls.
We don't know anything about screws.
But we'll ask Aaron. Find our van GVM. Experiment with plywood varnish.
Plywood is
Cheap. Yeah, I think. I'm pretty sure that's a thing. We'll have to ask Aaron.
Aaron, turn your phone on, Aaron. But within this plan were 6 million jobs we didn't know existed. As you might have picked up, we choose very achievable goals. Gotcha. We don't.
We know. We decided to jump on the phone to our brother-in-law Aaron, who's an expert carpenter, and tee up a time to get his help with the van, plus run our ambitious plan past him.
How's life? That's good. That's good. That's great. So, Lydia and I were thinking that this week, as an optimistic goal, we were going to try and get the floors, walls, and ceiling in. We were wondering, would it be possible to do a Wednesday, Thursday afternoon / evening, if it's alright with you? Or... Then we realised how unrealistic we'd been. Oh, right. Oh, okay. It would have to be a weekend to get much done. Yeah, that makes sense.
Our goals were unbelievably high, so we needed a good early start to the day.
Hello.
What are you doing?
It's our big day, Tuesday. Bit of a sleep in. We started off the day editing, which went way over time. We also had a plethora of other jobs to do, which we were struggling to keep on top of. Editing.
It's not interesting footage, right? It's going to be...
Now it's interesting.
This is such a pain in to get through all this. It's not... not video stuff that's not interesting. I just feel like we're literally doubling our time trying to record every single moment. We have enough.
Why are we being so sassy with each other? We're just trying our best. Why do you have to speak to me like you think I'm an idiot? It's really annoying. Could you spin that so it's facing this side?
Why can't you spin it? Why do I have to spin it?
This is not good. Do we need to take time out? We're a team. We're a team, boo. What the actual F?
After a frustrating Tuesday, we were desperate to make progress on the van.
Alright, welcome everyone to Wednesday.
Insulation Wednesday.
Insulation.
For your information.
Look at my belly button. What are you ringing around about?
Mattresses.
Oh, and what have you found?
I'm looking looking at natural latex mattresses, and they're very expensive.
How much?
$900.
How much do we want to spend on one?
$200.
And how much do you want to spend on one?
$0.
Is Lydia getting good service? Calling the timber place.
Wednesday was productive, but on Thursday we felt the pressure again.
Morning. Feeling a bit stressed today. Whoops. This one. Crooked. Ooh. Oops. Halfway through the day, we ran out of staples for the staple gun and out of motivation for our extremely high goals.
We were just so tired of feeling so inadequate and so inexperienced.
So we thought it was time to hit the town and have a meltdown. How are we feeling?
A bit deflated every time we try to do something. We think, maybe we'll just have to rip this off again. Maybe we've made the van really bad. We've got so much time but so little skills.
We did a lot of Googling.
Yeah.
We sought counsel from a local lizard who helped us back to our feet.
Like someone's watching us.
Actually,
What is that? Who do you think you are? Hello? Hello? Suddenly our conversation turned from desperation to determination.
we're sick of sitting around feeling like we're just
useless.
about to stuff it all up. So we're just going to go ahead and stuff it all up.
So plans have changed from, I think Monday we said that we were hoping to have a floor, ceiling, walls in.
Don't need it.
We can't do that by the end of the week. So we're just going to get the floor in. And the windows, which we weren't thinking would happen.
Yes.
We're
Yeah.
so excited about that.
On Friday we had an amazing day planned.
But our van wasn't feeling so good.
Key to Peter to the rescue.
Even after a rough start, once we hit the road, everything started to fall into place.
We dropped the van off and went to Bunnings.
How's the Bunnings? Yeah, it's huge.
Potential floors.
Found some 12mm pine. Very happy Lydia and Joe. This day has just got it much more simple.
Yeah.
Because yesterday we were freaking out.
Then it was time to pick up the van and see the new windows.
Once we found the MacBook we left at Bunnings. Left this at Bunnings for like an hour.
Whoops. New
How long
laptop.
it was still there?
Ah! Yes.
So cool.
Oh, it's so great. So great. Happy.
Awesome.
Found some pine floorboards. Found a friend. Sliding windows. What a day.
Cool.
Unreal banana peel.
We were so happy with our new windows and floorboards, so we went out for the afternoon to enjoy ourselves.
Where are we?
We are at Questby Queen.
Why?
Lights on.
What does that mean?
If the lights on, get a free donut. Do not
Eat.
ask me why they do it. I do not have the answer.
It was really nice to end the week on a high and head back to the country for the weekend.
Thank you for joining us for another episode of Following the Way. I hope you enjoyed riding our emotional roller coaster with us, and we hope that this week maybe we'll learn a bit more about how to deal with our inadequate feelings, and we'll learn a bit more about how to convert a van. And even though we're flawed humans, we're hoping that our van will be just as flawed next week.
Double O. Flawed.
Didn't
Not
you get it?
AW.
Come on.
Alright, thanks so much for joining us and for just doing the journey with us and for your encouragement and your comments, and it's just awesome having you all along the way, and we look forward to next week. Have a great week!
Guys!
You almost forgot. Name announcement for the van.
Name announcement for the van.
Drum roll.
3, 2, 1.
Kevin!
Spelt Kevan. Kevan.
Great suggestions from all you guys. Thank you for that.
Shout out to Kevins out there with that spell with the I. You're still a real Kevin. You're not less than our Kevan. Love you.
Bye.